How to find a great company to invest. 5 characteristics. There are many reasons why a person should consider investing in the stock market. One of them is the potential for higher returns on investment. However, this doesn't mean that every company is worth investing in, as there are certain characteristics that make some companies better investments than others. It's not easy to find a company that will be successful in the future. However, before deciding to invest your money in a company, there are some specific characteristics that you should look for. In this video, we will explore 5 characteristics that make a great company worthy of investing in, such as 1. Having a well-established and proven business model. 2. Offering a competitive advantage. 3. Possessing a strong management team. 4. Having a significant market share. 5. Being an innovative company. Let's dig deeper into these, shall we? Now, if you are enjoying this video, please don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Also, make sure you click on the bell to turn on notifications. 1. Business model. One of the most important factors when it comes to investing in a company is their business model. A great company has a well-established and proven business model. A business model is a plan or strategy that outlines how a company will make money. It's how the company intends to sustain itself and grow over time. Some companies make money by selling products to customers, while others offer services. A company's business model will depend on its goals, including what their objectives are and what their target audience is. The business model needs to be profitable and sustainable, which means customers will continue buying the product or service even if there are cheaper substitutes available elsewhere. 2. Competitive advantage. When deciding on whether to invest in a company, competitive advantage is a factor to consider. It's important to know what sets the company apart from its competitors and why the company is better suited for the long-term success. This means they have something that is so strong, it would be hard for other companies to replicate. For example, Google's search engine is so good because it has the best data and algorithms, it would be very hard and too expensive for another company to compete with them on this front. The idea is to find a company that has a sustainable competitive advantage over others in the same industry. This advantage can be due to differentiation in products, processes or services offered by the company. It could also be something as simple as finding a gap in the market and filling it with an innovative product or service, without directly competing with another company. A company's competitive advantage can be the cost, quality, service, or any other factor that sets them apart. 3. Excellent management. It is important to consider the management of a company before investing. While it is important for a company to have a great product, it is equally important that the management team is of high quality. Management can make a company thrive or fail. A great company should have a strong management team, with a visionary leader at the helm, who can see the future of the industry and make sound decisions accordingly. The management team of a company is responsible for the success of that company. They are the ones who have to make sure that things are running smoothly and that everyone is doing their job well. The management team needs to be committed to their work so that they can be successful. An excellent management team of a company must have a clear understanding of what they want to do and how they plan on executing it. They strive to make sure all employees are happy, productive, and have a fulfilling work experience. Management also has to maintain a good relationships with the suppliers. They have a strong vision for the future and take steps to achieve that goal by constantly improving their product and services. The management team's dedication has to lead the company to growth and be more profitable in consecutive years. A company with a good management team will be more successful and more likely to grow than a company with bad management. This is because good management can set and achieve goals that are aligned with the vision of the company, while poor management will not be able to do this, thus resulting in missed opportunities. 4. Significant market share. The size of a company's market share is an important factor in determining their success. The market share of a company is the percentage of the shares it holds in an industry. A company with a higher market share is more likely to generate more profit, which in turn increases the value of that company, as well as its stock price. To calculate this percentage, you'll have to divide the total sales of a company by the industry's total over a 12-month period. For example, if a company is making 15 million in 1 year by selling its product or service, and the total possible market for that industry is worth 30 million, then that means that the company has a 50% market share in that industry. When considering whether to invest in a certain company, one should consider the size of their market share. If they have a significant market share, then they are more likely to be a successful company. 5. Company innovation. When considering a company to invest in, company innovation may be an important factor. If the company is not innovating and coming up with new ideas, then it may not be worth investing in. For example, if a car manufacturer does not produce any new models for years and does not have any innovative projects going on, then people should think twice about investing in that company. Companies can invest in many different areas of business, but one area that often proves to be fruitful is research and development. Research and development, or R&D, plays an important part in a company innovation. When a company has a high priority on R&D, it can lead to more innovation and higher quality products. This is where companies spend money on the exploration and development of new products or technologies designed to bring them a competitive advantage. R&D is crucial to the success of a business. Research and development can be used to address a problem with the company's product or service, or to create entirely new products or services. Expenditures on research and development are tax deductible. Companies that place a high priority on research and development are likely to be more profitable and successful in the long run. New technologies can provide new products, services and markets, as well as new ways of looking at old problems. Before investing in a company, you must consider their innovation strategy. The competitive environment is fierce and the rate of disruption is high. Without a strong understanding of what the company is trying to create, it will be better for investors to stay clear. In conclusion, the idea of investing in the stock market is often intimidating. There are so many companies to choose from, which can make it difficult to know where to start. But there are some characteristics that all great companies share. A good example of a great company is a company that is a leader in the industry, has been in business for 10 years or more, and has grown tremendously over the past few years. The company is still growing at an alarming rate, and is poised to take over the market in the next few years. Look for a company that has an interesting product or service, and that is growing rapidly. Of course, this is just the surface of a good company research. There are many other factors to consider before committing your hard-earned money. The 5 characteristics that a great company should have, explained previously in this video, will help you in narrowing down your choices, so that you can concentrate more on better companies and start a more in-depth research approach, with the 10K and 10Q financial statements, risk assessment, valuation, etc. Happy hunting! Please don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe and click on the bell, it will help me a lot. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next video.